Hi girls, now I will going to discuss about the scorpion. Scorpion is a arthropod specimen. It belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, order Scorpions, example scorpion. If you consider the structure of this organism, the body is divided into prosomas. Prosoma is also called as the cephalothoracic region, and opistosoma is called as the abdominal region. Opistosoma, that is abdominal region, again it is divided into mesosoma and metasoma. Mesosoma consists of the 7 segments, whereas the metasoma consists of the 5 segments. Okay. And attached to the end of the metasoma is the telson, that is the last segment, the last segment of the metasoma. It is called as the telson. This telson contains the venom glands, that is nothing but poisonous glands. On the end of the telson is the a culex, that is stinger, which releases the venom. Okay. Just if you observe the last part of the abdomen, that is metasomal region, the last segment we called it as the telson. The telson inside contains the venom gland or the poisonous glands, and this telson is having the stinger, ಕೊಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, which releases the venom into the victim's body. Okay, at the anterior end of the prosoma, that is the cephalothoracic region, the anterior end of the prosoma are the median eyes. Anterior end of the prosoma, it has the median eyes. In the center of the carapace, there are 5 pairs of smaller lateral eyes are also present. So just if you observe the specimen, on the anterior end of the prosoma, there are median eyes, and the median eyes andre illi bartade, and the 5 pairs of lateral small eyes are also present on either side of the prosoma. Okay, then below the prosoma, 4 pairs of walking legs are present. Below prosoma, 4 pairs of walking legs are present, and prosoma bears, that is in the anterior part, it bears a pair of chelicerae. They are nothing but mouth parts, and also a pair of pedipalps. Chelicerae and pedipalps are called as the mouth parts, and also it has the pectins, they acts as the sensory organs, and there are more than 1000 species of scorpions, and these are carnivorous animals, that means flesh eating animals. Okay, this is about the external characteristic features of the specimen what scorpion. So if you observe the scorpion, the body is covered by the carapace, we can say, and the body is divided into anterior prosoma, and below the prosoma it has the abdominal cord, that is called as the opistosoma. In the anterior part, we can see the mouth parts including the pair of chelicerae, pair of pedipalps, and also we can see the pectins, median eyes, and also the lateral eyes, and below the prosoma you can see 4 pairs of walking legs are also, and we can see more than 1000 species of scorpions, and these are carnivorous animals, and the venom is poisonous too. Okay. Next come to the another specimen, we called it as the millipede. Scorpion in Kannada called it as Chedu, millipede in Kannada we called it as Sahasrapadi. This millipede belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, class Diplopoda, and example millipede, it commonly called as 1000 legs animals. Actually 1000 legs are not there, but it's called as 1000 legs animals because the appendages appears more in number, that's the reason they call like that. And despite of 1000 legs, 47 to 197 pairs of legs are present. 47 to 197 pairs of legs are present, and this animal live in the moist land, under the rocks, rotting logs, leaf debris, burrows, and the body is segmented In the head region it has a short antenna, and it has many legs. Segments, each segment of the body have the two pairs of legs. We call it as the somites. The legs are also called as the somites. Each segmentally two pairs of somites at the legs are present. The last segment called as the anal segment. Okay, anal segment where it stores the waste in the form of pellets, and 25 to 100 segments are there in the body, and it move like a wavy like motion, Okay, this scorpion, this millipede having the segmented body, it has a short antennae, it have many legs. Segments, each segment of the body have two pairs of legs. We call it as the somites. The last segment called the anal segment, where it stores the waste in the form of pellets, and 25 to 100 segments are present in the body, and the animal is able to move wave like motion. Then body is divided into head and the trunk. Millipedes breathe with the help of respiratory structures called spiracles. Okay, spiracles, and spiracles, that means present in the spiracles are present all along the body. Okay, you can see the spiracle holes outside also. On top of the segment called the tergite, that is the body covered by the structure, we call it as the tergite or tergum, we can say. Underside between two segment called the stermite. Underside between the two segments, that means underside between the two segments, that region we called it as the ternite, or we can say sternum. No vision, the vision is very poor, and these are herbivorous. There are many species, some are omnivorous also, and they are nocturnal in nature. So these are the characters of millipede. Okay, girls, the manual that I was sent you, in that no scorpion and millipede, but separately we say Mohan sir sent millipede and centipede. Please try to draw it for your record. Okay, thank you.